Hello, my friends, and welcome to this morning stretch in bed. Adding some gentle movements into your morning routine like this will help you wake up your body and feel less stiff. You won't need anything special for this video. All you need is your bed. When you're ready, meet me down on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together to touch. Knees go out wide. You can place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest here. We'll begin with some deep inhalations. So inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. 2 more, just like that. Inhale and exhale. Last one, inhaling to expand and exhaling to release. Bring your knees together towards your chest. Give them a little squeeze when you get there. Start to rock from side to side here, releasing any tension you might feel in your low back. Throughout this video, make sure you're continuing to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now keep your knees where they are. Release them and reach your hands up toward the sky. We're going to roll out the wrists and the ankles here, going nice and slow in one direction and then switching and going the other direction. Getting out any cricks and cracks. Loosening everything up. A couple more like that. Now bring your left foot to your bed. We're going to hook the right ankle over the left knee, finding a figure 4 stretch. You can press your right knee away from you to deepen the stretch here. Flex your right foot. Stay here if this is enough, or you can reach through, grab hold of your left thigh and bring it in closer towards your body. Feeling a nice deep stretch here through your right hip, your right glute. When you get into position, feel free to add a little rock again from side to side here, just feeling how that feels in your body today. On your next breath, go ahead and release your thigh if you have hold of it. Bring your right foot to your bed. We're going to cross over and do the other side. Left ankle over right knee. Notice here if this side is a little bit more stiff. For me, it always is. And again, you can stay here, or for a little bit more, reach through, grab hold of your right thigh and bring that right thigh in towards your chest. I like to use my left elbow here kind of to help press that left knee away from my body. Nice stretch. Again, finding a rock from side to side if that feels good, or you can just hang out and be still. From here, let's slowly make our way up to seated. So go ahead and uncross your left ankle. You can roll onto one side into a little fetal position here, and then slowly go ahead and press yourself all the way up. You could take your feet out in front of you, planting your feet on your bed. Your hands come behind you. You can turn your fingers out or have them facing backwards, depending on how your wrists are feeling today. From here, just enjoying a nice chest opening stretch. Think about broadening through your collarbones here, spreading your chest open. Full deep breath in and full deep breath out. Again, stay still in this position or see how it feels to add a little sway from side to side. Now let's do a little stretch for the hips. So you're going to bring your hands just closer to your sides a little bit for some support. Take your feet out wider now. And we're going to think about dropping one knee down towards the bed and then the other. These are very slow windshield wipers. So you pick your knee up, you drop your knee down, rotating the hips. So we're thinking about one hip internally rotating, the other one externally rotating. Just finding some nice movement, lubricating the hip joints. Going nice and slow here. One more like that to each side. And then from here, kick both of your feet over to the left side. So you're kind of stacking one leg on your shin. And we're going to reach up and over to find a side bend to the left. So your left hand can plant to your left side, and then you reach your right fingertips up and over. Take a full deep breath in as you feel a nice stretch along the right side of your body, reaching your right fingertips long. One more full deep breath in. And now let's twist. So your right hand comes behind and your left hand can come to your right thigh, looking up and over your right back shoulder here. On every inhale, sitting up tall. And on every exhale, deepening the twist. Slowly unravel yourself. Let's do that on the other side. So kick your feet over to the right. Your right thigh is stacking on top of your left shin. This time, your right hand comes to your right side and you reach your left fingertips up and over. And from here, we'll find the twist. Left fingertips come behind you. Sit up nice and tall as you inhale. And as you exhale, twist. All right, slowly unravel yourself. Now let's take our legs out in front of us. It's okay if they need to be bent. That is perfectly fine. Try to sit up as tall as you can here. We're going to point and flex the feet. So just start getting some movement through the ankles. And then once that feels good, you can kind of start to explore your neck movement. So maybe you want to just stretch one side of your neck at a time, going from one side to the other. Or maybe you want to draw some circles with your head, doing what feels good here for your body today. Find some stillness through your ankles and your neck now. We're going to end with some cat-cow. So I like to put my hands underneath my knees here. And then on your inhale, take a big breath in. Look up toward the ceiling, opening your chest. And as you exhale, round your back, spread your shoulder blades, gaze down towards your bed. Just continuing like this at your own speed, inhaling to look up and exhaling to look down. Last one like that. Inhale. As you exhale, sit up nice and tall. We'll take one more full deep breath in together. Inhale, reach your fingertips up. And exhale, drive your elbows out to the side, opening through the chest. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me this morning. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and I will see you again soon. Bye.